from the jail and after those. All right.
I think channels like Republic TV were part of an overall narrative which was created by BJP. You helped BJP.
Sir, no. Republic does not help any political party. That this was the CBI would put out the allegations against the Aam Aadmi Party leaders that there were kickbacks which were received by the party members, and which is what we reported as well. And now the judgment has come, which is what we're reporting and getting a reaction.
So you don't have to report it. You have to run this story for 1 month. You have to call guests for 1 month. You have to do debates for 1 month.
We're also getting your reaction on the judgment today, right?
That you have to do, otherwise people will not watch your channel.
That's not how it works, sir. That is not how it works, sir. We're getting your reaction on the judgment. What do you have to say on that?
I have to say that now Republic TV should run a narrative for at least 1 month. Should do debates.
Sir, Republic will decide what it has to run or what it has not to run.
You will not decide. You have already decided. You run a narrative for the.
We do not run a narrative. We're getting your reaction on what CBI has said. CBI says that there were investigation lapses which were not looked into by the trial court. They will now appeal the judgment. Your reaction on that?
My reaction is, as far as CBI officers are guilty, channels like Republic and Times Now are also guilty of running a false narrative for BJP.
So you do understand the case is not, this is not the end of the legal battle. The CBI says it will go into the higher court, Delhi High Court, appeal the trial court's judgment.
I know that's your narrative now. That is your next narrative. Run it. Keep running it.
All right, that was Aam Aadmi Party Saurabh Bhardwaj calling what the CBI in fact has said right now, that they will be appealing the judgment in the Delhi High Court. Just a narrative, not understanding essentially this is not the end of the legal battle, but of course a temporary relief for the Aam Aadmi Party Supremo Arvind Kejriwal, as well as for the Deputy CM, former Deputy CM Manish Sisodia, and 21 others were all accused in the Delhi liquor scam case. But the reaction we're getting right now from the Aam Aadmi Party's Saurabh Bhardwaj says it's a narrative by CBI, whereas CBI continues to say that there were several issues which are overlooked by the trial court in their proceedings. They will be appealing the judgment, the trial court's judgment, which has acquitted all 23 accused in the Delhi liquor scam. And now that's the latest reaction we're getting in from, in fact, Saurabh Bhardwaj.
All right, so this was Saurabh Bhardwaj. He is alleging that we are not showing what is happening right now, but we have given the entire coverage to this entire issue. And now let's once again focus on how Arvind Kejriwal reacted after the court's observation, the verdict. Let's watch that.
जिस तरह से शराब घोटाला कर रही थी और हमारे ऊपर आरोप लगा रही थी, आज कोर्ट ने सारे आरोप खारिज कर दिए और जितने भी एक्यूज्ड थे सबको डिस्चार्ज कर दिया।